Alaikum, my name is Bilal.
Everyone, my name is Sultan.
My name is Sayyid Mohammed Ehsan.
Imran Hussain, I'm basically from Bangladesh.
My name is Shazeb.
My name is Faizan Ramzan.
59 is the next number. 25 is the next. Of the uncle type looking people were born in 80s, so 81 already gone. So now the bottom row, there is a prize for the bottom row. Gajak for Ikram Bhai as well.
Assalamu alaikum friends and family and welcome to my YouTube channel Golistic Faiz. आज पर्थ में पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए इस्लामिक सर्कल ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड न्यूजीलैंड ने ईद मिलन पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज़ की है। तो आए स्टूडेंट्स से बात करते हैं, जानते हैं उनका क्या हाल अहवाल है, कैसी उनकी जर्नी रही अभी तक पर्थ के अंदर, किस कोर्सेज़ में वो आए हैं, कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में पढ़ रहे हैं, क्या वो रिकमेंड करेंगे फ्यूचर पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट्स को ऑस्ट्रेलिया में एज अ स्टूडेंट आने के लिए। तो आए मैं आपको कुछ सीन्स दिखाता हूँ यहाँ की।
Question in the registration form that what is the thing that you enjoy doing the most, and what do you reckon would have been the most common answer? Sorry, cricket. Anything? Any other guess? Socializing is good. Some people said that listening to the reminders and so on, but the most common one by far was eating. So inshallah, yeah, we should not delay it. Inshallah, we'll very soon be going for eating, but inshallah we would like to know more about you. So your name, where you live, when did you come to Australia, maybe 30 seconds per person, but we would like to know more about you, inshallah. First of all, our president for WA, Brother Muhammad Latif, Brother Shahzad, he is our very senior associate member, helps us with Gain Peace, our dawah effort with the non-Muslims. So alhamdulillah, he's a pillar for that in WA. Brother Ikram, inshallah, I can feel that all of you would be surrounding him during lunch and so on, because he's an immigration lawyer and also helps students with a lot of things, with their immigration queries, visa queries, admission and so on. Brother Faizan also is very active in helping students, and also his passion is homeschooling. So all of you, I think most of you won't have children at this stage, but inshallah when you would have, so he is your person to go to, inshallah. He is in fact developing a curriculum for that as well. So alhamdulillah, very active in that regard. And then last but not the least, our brother Zahur Chima, he's a psychologist by profession. He's in charge for our Perth South unit. Again, a very active brother. And also he loves working with youth, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahzad Parvez. By profession, I am a telecom engineer and I am here in Australia since 2018. Currently, I am working in a organization Woodside Energy as a telecom project engineer.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, hello. My name is Shazeb and I am right now student in Kaplan College and I am doing masters in IT, alhamdulillah. And just my one semester is left, and after that I am planning to apply for my TR and pursue my same thing in the future, not going in the trade course. I am planning to pursue my knowledge in the IT field. I am doing something in the cybersecurity, and I hope very best, like after 1 or 2 internships, I will grab the same job which I have studied. So that's my job, inshallah, my vision, inshallah, to do, and I am hopeful like I will do it. Like, if you want to study, you can come to Australia, but it's a long journey. It's not like on the papers, like you will go and you will do the things. You have to work hard. You have to study. You have to manage your things. So if you think like you are prepared for the thing, like then you should come and you should do. So if you have vision and if you want to do something for yourself and for your country or something for your family and your next generation, you should definitely come. It's a very good country. Opportunities are a lot, but for the skilled persons, not for the unskilled people. Always try to learn something in your specific field you are coming in. Don't follow the agents like do this course, do that course. Just follow your passion and believe in Allah. You will get the visa and you will get the opportunity here. So that's what I will say.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Imran Hussain. I'm basically from Bangladesh. I'm studying on masters in counseling. And I came here on last July on 2023.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Asim Zubair. I'm from India. Alhamdulillah, my wife, she is a student. So alhamdulillah, we are here still on a student visa. Inshallah, with the brother of Brother Ikram. Here we are planning to apply for a PR, inshallah. So still a long way, but inshallah, hopeful for the best, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bilal. In Pakistan, I am from Gujranwala, and here I am studying in Murdoch University. I am in Bachelor of IT. Still, I am on study visa, obviously, and that's all.
When did you arrive to Perth and
Usually, it's 10 months. It's not too much. It's 10 months. I have completed my one semester, and second semester is also complete.
Assalamu alaikum brothers. I am Muhammad Umar Shafiq. I am also from Gujranwala, Pakistan, and I am studying in Curtin College and pursuing my Bachelor of Health Science. And it's been 1 year me here, and I also just to come Australia to observe the multicultural and exposure to get, and suggest all the students if they want they come here.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Wahid. I'm basically from Afghanistan. I did bachelor from mining engineering from UT Lahore, and I came to Australia on a skill visa. And it was like 1.5 years ago I came to Australia, and I tried to get a job in a mining, but due to local experience and the mining market are down, I didn't get any job in a mining. Now I apply in a diploma in ACMI college, and that's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sultan. I'm from Karachi, Pakistan, and I'm currently on temporary graduate visa 485, and I'm working in an Italian cuisine as a chef. And when I first came to Australia, I came in a course regarding accounting and finance, but when I arrived here, I came to know that there's not much benefits in the future regarding accounting if you're concerned for your permanent residency. So I was suggested courses like commercial cookery and automotive, but I selected commercial cookery, and I have been working in the restaurant for 1 year right now, and I'm currently gaining hours to get the permanent residency. So hopefully, inshallah. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Syed Mohammad Ehsan, and I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. I moved here in Australia back in 2023, and I'm currently a student. I'm doing Masters in Electrical Engineering from Murdoch University, and it's my last semester. Hopefully, I'm finishing my degree next month. So we'll be doing some work in my relevant field, which is electrical engineering. So I'm hopeful for that. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Hasnan. I'm from Pakistan, Rawalpindi, and I'm doing my master's degree in Murdoch University, and I came to Australia in 2023, and I'm almost finishing my degree, and yeah, thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Abbasi. I'm from Islamabad, Pakistan. I moved here. It's been over a year now, and I'm doing masters in IT. And if I talk about my experience, it's been kind of a roller coaster ride, to be honest. But there's been ups and downs, but alhamdulillah doing fine so far, no complaints. So yeah.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम कैस अब्दुल रहमान है और अच्छा हाँ मेरा नाम कैस अब्दुल रहमान है और मैंने मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग की थी पाकिस्तान से, और फिर 476 वीज़ा पे मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया आया था. तकरीबन ये कि 1.5 साल से थोड़ा ऊपर हो चुका है मुझे, और अभी ये कि अपनी फील्ड में जॉब कर रहा हूँ और ब्रिजिंग वीज़ा पे हूँ, और होपफुली मे बी इन 1 और 2 मंथ्स मेरा जो एम्प्लॉय स्पॉन्सर्ड है तो वो आ जाएगा. तो बस यही था. बाकी ये कि पिछली वीडियो में सब पता ही सबको.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद हसन अली है, एंड आई एम डूइंग मास्टर्स इन आईटी फ्रॉम UWA. होपफुली सेकंड लास्ट सेमेस्टर, बट लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद फुरकान है और मैं पाकिस्तान में मुल्तान से हूँ, और मैं यहाँ एडवांस डिप्लोमा ऑफ सिविल कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड डिज़ाइन कर रहा हूँ, और इंशाल्लाह अगले साल ख़त्म हो जाएगा, तो उसके बाद इंशाल्लाह फिर देखते हैं कि क्या करना है. थैंक यू.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi everyone. My name is Taufik. I'm from Nigeria. I'm studying at ECU Electronics and Communications Engineering. So I'll be rounding off mid this year, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hamza Khan and I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. I came to Australia 18 months ago. I came directly to Perth, and right now I'm working as an accounts manager. Yeah.
So what visa you came?
I came on 476, and like now I'm on bridging visa. Yeah.
More like you managed to get this employer sponsored visa?
No, I actually got invited for 491. So right now I'm on bridging visa. Inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad bin Usman. NED University से सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का ग्रेजुएट हूँ. सेम लाइक हमजा 18 months पहले मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया केम टू सिडनी, स्ट्रगल्ड ओवर देयर, डिड माई टेस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, मार्क द चेक लिस्ट, इधर आ गया, यहाँ पे जॉब मिल गई अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, जॉब की इनविटेशन भी आ गया, गॉट दी ऑफर फॉर एम्प्लॉयर स्पॉन्सरशिप, ली नहीं, तो अपना इनविटेशन आ गया था, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह स्टिल मार्किंग द चेक लिस्ट, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ऑल गोइंग गुड. 189.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मेरा
इसको भी ऐसे ही आप पकड़ लो थोड़ी सी, ठीक, आपको ऊंची नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मेरा नाम अज़हर मसूद है. हेलो, मेरा नाम अज़हर मसूद है और मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रिसेंटली अराइव, 1 month हुआ है मुझे आए हुए. तो UWA में एडमिशन हुआ है एग्रीकल्चर साइंसेस में. बाकी पीछे लाहौर से था और पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी से ग्रेजुएट हूँ. तो अभी बस देख रहे हैं, अभी यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए क्लासेस स्टार्ट नहीं हुई अभी, लेकिन अभी देख रहे हैं आगे इंशाल्लाह.
1 महीने में क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया?
1 महीना तो बहुत बुरा गया जैसे भाई ने बताया. लेकिन अभी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इंशाल्लाह चीज़ें बेहतर हो रही हैं.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मेरा नाम उसामा है, मैं लाहौर से हूँ. मैं तकरीबन 1.5 year पहले पर्थ आया था एज एन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर और 476 वीज़ा. अभी मैं गोज़मन व गुमस में एज ए कुक काम कर रहा हूँ और साथ में सर्टिफिकेट 3 इन कारपेंट्री कर रहा हूँ.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मेरा नाम सलमान वहीद है और ठीक. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मेरा नाम सलमान वहीद है और मैं लाहौर पाकिस्तान से हूँ और मैं 1.5 साल पहले 476 पे यहाँ पर आया था और अभी वो एक्सपायर हो गया और मैंने ब्रिजिंग वीज़ा अप्लाई कर दिया और अभी स्टूडेंट वीज़ा के लिए मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ और मैं ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा ऑफ मैनेजमेंट पढ़ रहा हूँ.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farhan Yusuf and I'm from Pakistan, JLM. So I've been living in Australia from last 3 years. As for my studies are concerned, so I did my bachelor's in cybersecurity and at the moment I'm representing Pakistan in ECU as a Unibody student. So if there's any person coming from Pakistan and if he has any queries like about the lifestyle in at ECU, so I get like their messages and I tell them like the all the education criteria and what is that admission criteria and everything. And apart from that, currently I'm doing as an internship, volunteer internship at Australian Islamic College in Curragh. So yeah, it's been like a 1.5 month journey for me.
What sort of organization at EC you are part of?
So it's called Unibody program. So I started that when I was a student there. It's like from different countries. Each country has one representative. So I represent Pakistan over there. So they have a Unibody app. So if anyone wants to know anything about ECU, so I get a text message from them and I reply them about like the fee structure and everything about the ECU.
So if anyone from Pakistan planning to study at ECU, they can contact you?
Yeah, they can more than happy to contact me and I'll be more than happy to assist them whatever way I can do that. Yeah, that's it about myself.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I'm doing my master's in IT in Kaplan College and I came here last year July. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Azjad Noor. I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. I've been here for the last 15 years. Working in IT right now as a network engineer. For my education background, I have done my master's in communication networks from Curtin University. For my hobbies or for my extracurricular activities, I love to do anything with cars. So in my leisure time or in my own personal time, I just like to play around with cars and do stuff. And yeah, if you have any questions or would like to approach me for any queries or something, feel free to. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Nadir. I'm from Gujranwala, Pakistan, and I've been living here from last 2 years. And I'm just finishing my master's in IT from Kaplan Business School, and I'm gonna apply for my TR soon. Thank you so much. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zabid and I'm father of Asjad. So I'm just visiting him and here for the last, I think, 2-3 weeks, and I'm staying more, about a month time. It was very nice to see you guys and got the opportunity to see you and meet you. And thank you very much. It was all really good and nice to see you all. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you so much for coming to our event today. My name is Faizan Ramzan. I came as an international student back in 2011. So there's a long journey. There's a lot to say. For this, I have uploaded a video on my YouTube channel. Please make sure you go and check out this. Currently, I am working as a system safety engineer, and I have been associated with ICANN, Islamic Circle of Australia and New Zealand, since 2018 as a volunteer, and we try our best to organize such events for the committee. Thank you so much again.
I know that many of you are working in similar professions. Many of you are studying IT. So inshallah, it's an opportunity for you to network as well. Inshallah, when you would go into your professional life, you guys can then support each other and be each other's aid and ally, inshallah. So our next bit is about a brief introduction about ICANN. So alhamdulillah, you have come here, but you might have a question in your mind that what is ICANN? Why have the guys invited us over here? What is this place all about? So inshallah, to answer some of those queries and also to remind all of us, I request Brother Latif, the president for WA ICANN, inshallah. So he would introduce ICANN. Okay, so whoever fulfills the 4 corners first, they would be the winner. If the number I say, if it is in there like this 120, so you cut it. Brother says -2. Let's do 40 minus 2. And 38. All right. Next one is 33. So as I say a number, if your ticket has got that number, just cut it. Many people are from Gujranwala and Jhelum, so this is probably from your area, yeah? Who's the winner? Yeah. 88. 88 is the next number. That's your bottom row. Okay, this side, give me a guess. 62 is the next number. From what you would have studied in your schools, it is a part of Qaraardad-e-Maqasid, which was passed in year? No, much earlier than that. 49. So whoever has got 49, they can cut that. Okay.
Is bottom row available?
Would you like to give to someone else?
Brother.
You got a bottom row. Let's give it to him. Ajwa date from Medina for our dear brother, inshallah.
His 5 housemates are there.
Yeah, okay, inshallah. Please share with them. Yeah.
38.
Excellent. So the bottom row is done. So we'll have first dinner, dinner, and then we'll go for prayer. And after that, Brother Ikram, who I mentioned to you, is an immigration lawyer and can answer all your queries about visa, about course selection, course change and whatever. So inshallah, he would be available after the prayer.